I am Dr. Tanya Halis from Lahore. Today we introduce you Dr. Masood Homoeopathic Pharmaceuticals product, which name is Arabian leaf extract or Hydra helix. Is generally used as a cough syrup or for respiratory issues like bronchitis, help relieve cough and loosen mucus. A homeopathic version would follow the principle of homeopathy. Its key benefits are help to loosen mucus, expectorant, and relieve cough, chest congestion, and respiratory inflammation. IVV leaf extract hydrachalics help to relieve from cough and chest congestion and respiratory inflammation. This product is very amazing result. Avoid to self-medication. For more information, visit the website www.drmasoodstore.com.pk. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.